Alright everyone, in today's video I want to show you another way to unlock the pattern lock screen, and this time it's for the Samsung A51. So if you've forgotten your pattern or PIN and can't remember it anymore, this is for you, okay? In a moment I'll also talk about how you can unlock your Google account email and password if you need to, alright? But first, let's remove this pattern lock from the screen. On some models, you'll need to connect a USB cable to your computer, but you don't need to download any programs, files or anything like that. It's just so the phone can enter recovery mode, and then you can go there and select the unlock option, which I'm going to show you now. So, remove your SIM card and your memory card because this process will erase everything that's stored on the device. Let's get started then. You can stay on the screen where it's asking you to enter the password, or here on the emergency screen. You're going to press the volume down and power buttons together at the same time. When it restarts, release the volume down and press the volume up instead. When the Samsung logo appears and stays on the screen, release the power button and keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode. I'm going to show you here so you can do it there and unlock your device, okay? Let's go then. Hold down the volume down and power buttons until the device restarts. It's important for you to pay attention to the time it takes while it's restarting here. Let's wait just a few more seconds. Now release the volume down and press the volume up. Now pay attention, it's here on the screen. You saw that it blinked, but I didn't take my finger off the power button. Only when the name appears and it looks like I told you, keep holding your finger on the volume up button. Done. This here is recovery mode. Remember, this procedure will also work for some other Samsung models. Now go down to the fifth option by pressing the volume down button. It's this one, look. Confirm with the power button. Go down again and confirm once more. Let's wait here for it to finish. When you get to this screen, confirm one more time. Here your device is already being unlocked. You'll see it's about to restart. There won't be that password anymore, and it also won't ask you to enter the PIN. If you need, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, to unlock your email and your Google account in case you forgot them, we can also do this unlocking for you, even remotely from wherever you are. I'll leave my number in the video description or in the channel description. You can get in touch with me, ask your questions, and check the price for your unlocking, okay? If this video helped you, and if you can, within your means, make a contribution to our channel. Our pics will also be in the video description or in the channel description. It doesn't matter how much you give, what matters is your help, your support, your gratitude. I hope I was able to help you all. That was today's video. Thanks. Take care.